So, game starts. Mani Sai versus Krishna Kalyan. Final. It's a slow start, but Krishna and Kalyan managed to win the first point. They are ahead 1-0. So Kalyan has started his arc game. So they are 2-0 ahead in this final clash. So bodyline smash from Krishna and it goes to 3-0. Kalyan and Krishna. Kalyan to serve. 3-0. Wonderful placement from Sai and managed to break the serve, and now Sai to serve. Good pick. What a pick. So this game is living up to its expectations, and crowd here is enjoying the moment, and it's a in. So it's 4 sets. So 4 points. Anna, మీరు మారిపోయారు. Krishna Anna serve. So there was a small error. Krishna Anna to serve. So service break. Mani to serve, Krishna to receive. An unforced error from Mani. So now it has been 5-2. Good place. Wow. So service broken. Sai to serve 3-5. So Sai made difficult it for himself. He should have dropped it there itself so that Kalyan won't have hit a smash. There is a clash of rackets, and somehow Sai has picked up. Oh my God! All in vain. Sai picked up a difficult one, but Mani lost the control. So the score is
Ziggler 11 Pro.
Ziggler కావాలా కళ్యాణ్?
Winston.
అది తప్పుతుంది ఏం కావాలా? Ziggler కావాలా? రైట్ ఉంటుందా?
అరే అది కట్ చేసేయండి. So here is our sponsor Nagraj. So SLV is sponsoring this tournament. So the stoppage is due to the racket breaking. I think I think the string.
Bat is
తీసుకెళ్ళారు. Okay. So the string is to be cut. So now the worry for Kalyan is not the game, it's the racket with which he has to play. తెలీదు. So now Kalyan wants to try all the rackets in the courtyard. In the court. So see, again this guy has got the racket. So this is how you have to fix it. Guys, learn it. So if you don't cut it, the frame will change. Oh, bodyline smash from Mani. Is that a comeback smash from Mani? Wow. What a place from Sai. So it is converting into a very good spell after the breakage of racket. So Mani and Sai have gained 2 points back to back. Can this turn out to be a good points? Oh my god, no. So they have messed it up again and somehow Sai managed to hit the net. Wow, what a place, what a placement from Sai. He cramped Krishna Garu and Krishna Garu was not able to reach the shuttle in time. Oh my god. So score is now 9-6. Krishna to serve. So Sai should have played it flat, maybe, rather than lifting it, knowing that Kalyan has a strength in his smashes. It's out. It's out. So the service change is 7-10. 7-10 is the call from umpire. What a smash! Brilliant smash from Krishna Garu, and he is on fire. Brilliant placement. So Sai is on fire today. He has not missed the court. So everything he is hitting is going inside court. Oh my god. So Sai's backhand didn't work. It didn't go far, and easy smash for Kalyan, for which Mani was not having any answer. So now this spell is going good. So these guys are trying to rotate as much as possible. Oh my god. Oh my god. What a save. What a savior dive from Mani. Kalyan was not able to reach the shuttle in time and managed to hit the net. What a drive from Sai. So it was not visible probably to Krishna Garu. Oh my god. So he was again trying to cramp Krishna Garu so that Krishna Garu can make some mistake and they can pounce upon the mistake, but it went into vain. Service from Kalyan. Oh, lazy drop from So for our viewers, this match is of 30 points single set. So now Kalyan and Krishna are leading. 12-14 is the score. So if the score reaches 15 somehow, either side, there will be a short break and there will be a side change of the court. And Mani made a wrong judgment and gave a simple juicy volley to hit for a smash. And now the score is 15-12. Krishna and Kalyan are leading. And Sai, Mani are trailing with 12 points. 15-12. There is a short break. See you soon. Sponsored by SLV. So, game resumes after 2 minutes break. 15-12. Krishna Garu to serve. Wow, what a blind pickup from Mani. So that made it impossible for Krishna and Kalyan to view it in time, and it was a wonderful drop. 14-16 is the score. So it is very neck to neck. 14-6 and out. Krishna Garu managed to hit it out of the court, which gave them one more point. 15-16. Another out, exactly same space. 16 all is the score. 16 all. And Mani managed to give another point to their opponents, and Kalyan to serve. 17-16. Out. Sai managed to hit it out of the park. So now the score is 18-16. Wow. So for our viewers, this game is not for 21. It is 30 points. 19-16 is the score. So if you see Kalyan's game, you will find that whenever he is on the net, he will try to hit it lower so that the opponent hits it up and his partner manages to smash it. So that is what his trick is. Otherwise, he will play parallels. Very rarely he lifts it up until is very closer to net. See, another example. So if you give him an inch, he will take a yard. So 21, another out. 22-16. Wow, good placement from Sai. So 17-22 is the score. Another mistake, dreadful mistake from Sai, knowing that they are lagging behind in score. They should try to minimize this mistakes. And what a wonderful comeback, very good smash from Sai. That's how to redeem yourself after an incorrect shot. Very good. Wonderful. So oh my God, Sai, no. Your intentions were good. Intentions were good to rush the opponents, but in the process, we should not get rushed. Hopefully this game goes like this furthermore, but we hope Sai and Mani can make another comeback like they did since the first 15-16 points. So there is another break.
24-17.
24-17 is the score. It's not a big lead like we saw in the semi-finals. Multiple teams came back 6 to 7 points behind and managed to win. So they are not totally out of this game. They can make use of this short break and try to cramp the opponents. So that is the only trick they can do, because Kalyan is phenomenal with his placements. He's managing to cramp the opponents. Oh, sorry. So we don't have a change room, so that's why players are changing over. By mistake. అందుకే తిప్పేసా. క్రాప్ చేసే బ్రో, అప్లోడ్ చేసేటప్పుడు క్రాప్ చేసేసా. So there is a change in jersey from Mani and Sai. Let's see if there is a change in their game to come back from behind and win this game and the final. Wow, wonderful point, good win. So back-to-back 2 points after the change of jersey. What a place. 25-19 is the score. Out. 20-25. So they are just 5 points behind. They can manage it if they can manage it to make it close. 26-20. బ్రో మనం ఎంత స్కోర్తో గెలిచాం బ్రో మనీ వాళ్ళతో? యష్, మనం మనీ వాళ్ళతో ఎంత స్కోర్తో గెలిచాం? సో ఫ్రేమ్ 21-26 is the score. So you saw again, he will always play parallels.
వివేక్ ఎంజాయ్ చేస్తాను.
So if we can see Kalyan's game, we can learn a lot. How to cramp the opponents, how to make them rush in their shots, which ultimately brings up the best out of his partner as well. Wow. Oh my God. Not yet. I bet. Shot. What a placement. Like I said, it brings best out of his partner. So this point totally dominated from Krishna Garu. He hit multiple smashes and finally managed to hit a wonderful placed smash. What a pick. Oh my God. So it is game point 29-23. Game point 29-23. Game point. Tournament point. No, 29-23. Will they manage to finish it off in this serve, or they will have another twist to delay their win? Let's see. Oh my God. Somehow Sai managed. Wonderful game. runners up, our runners up, Sai and Mani, our umpire Vikram, and Krishna Garu, the winner, along with Kalyan. So this is the winning team, Kalyan and Krishna Garu. They did a lot of hard work to reach this place. So now I'll hand over to our host.